5 micro habits that instantly make you more confident. Confidence is not something you're born with, it's something you practice. Most people think confidence comes from big achievements, but in reality, it's built through tiny actions repeated daily. In this video, I'll share 5 micro habits that instantly change how you feel and how others respond to you. No fake positivity. No pretending to be someone you're not. Just simple actions that work. Let's begin. Micro habit number 1, fix your posture. Right now, straighten your back. Relax your shoulders. Lift your chin slightly. This isn't about looking impressive. It's about how posture changes your brain chemistry. A confident body sends a confidence signal to your mind. Micro habit number 2, pause before you speak. Instead of rushing your words, take a 1-second pause before talking. That small pause makes you sound calmer, more thoughtful, and more confident. People trust those who don't rush. Micro habit number 3, maintain eye contact for 2 seconds. Not staring. Just steady, relaxed eye contact. 2 seconds is enough to show confidence without pressure. Confidence is felt, not forced. Micro habit number 4, stop apologizing unnecessarily. Notice how often you say sorry for things that don't need an apology. Instead of sorry for bothering you, try thanks for your time. This shift changes how you see yourself and how others see you. Micro habit number 5, collect small wins. At the end of the day, write down one thing you did well. Not something huge. Something small. Confidence grows when your brain learns to notice progress instead of flaws. Now here's the key. Don't try all 5 at once. Choose just one micro habit today. Because confidence doesn't come from thinking more. It comes from acting a little differently. If this video helped you, like it and subscribe for more simple habits that make life feel effortless. And tell me in the comments, which micro habit will you start today? Your confidence grows one small action at a time. If this helped you, like the video, share and subscribe for more simple tools that make life feel effortless.